afternoon. This video is to help you organize your shared resources from Encore's Classroom. So I'm going to click on Classroom, and I'm going to be in my Classes and Groups page. When I'm in my Classes and Groups page, click on Shared Resources on the right-hand side, and you'll see it all list of all of your shared resources. As you can see, I've already made a subfolder for one set of them. Over the class period, you're going to right-click and click on Add Subfolder. I'm going to name my subfolder, click OK. You want to make sure you unclick the class period, and then you can click anything that needs to go into that subfolder. I'm going to drag those three things into the subfolder, and you'll notice a little blackish triangle on the left-hand side. If I click it, these are the things that are now in my student subfolder. If I go to one of my students, you will notice that when they click on my page, right here in the middle, it says Classroom Resources. So if I click on this, it will bring down what I just did. Okay, here's my office hours. Here's some of my back to school information. It just kind of cleans up your class resources a little bit more. If you have any questions, please email me at gradebook.support@sayrevillek12.net.